Vybz Kartel call your name Deva Bratt.
Yeah.
And it seems like it's been crazy all over the internet.
Yes, it is.
What about that? Tell me how you feel about that. That even Deva Bratt.
Yeah.
Did you get charged?
So I was so happy to go into the school, but unfortunately, when I was on the road doing the Ono school tour, I started to get emails of school cancelling and saying they won't be able to do it, saying that they don't think I am fitting enough to go into the schools.
Stacks. Sagas out mean big ass.
A big ass.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we're looking to a little short clippings of Deva Bratt going on an interview to address Kartel and the grape allegation. Also, Spice coming forward to let us know that her school tour has been cancelled. It looks like Blak Ryno has a song or have a preview of a song to answer Deva Bratt, and Deva Bratt also have an answer. So one little mini clash go on between them two days, so we're here for it. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share.
See it, say them shake it to Deva arrival. That black bag, somebody give it a bridle. The rifle away like tidal. Somebody have it done.
So that was Deva Bratt releasing a preview on Instagram for a diss track for Vybz Kartel and Blak Ryno. So I saw this on TikTok. I don't know if it's officially released, but I saw this little clip where it looked like Blak Ryno answer. So check this out.
No fear boy, fear who, fear what? Fear them, fear him, fear that. Come here then, give me your ears, hear what? I be a murderer, they over here, you hear that? Me girl, over here, hear what? Come here little, your band give me tear that. Your G-string, your beam go your sear pop, and if I die, cause I baby me cheer, rate that. Bring him come your job. Go fuck back your mother from, and I play top. And if you don't figure, some boy are easy, we figure that. Maxi, one, two more, still a dog. I'll chat them out. That's right, and him rape up. Your beam go your sear pop, and if I die, cause I baby me cheer, rate that. Bring him come so hear what? Time down, put a sign, and him rape up. A beer kick, a beer box. Me a one day I come a one match and be a gas. What's up for mother like busy drop a teardrop? What's up for your mother front and a plane? No fear boy, fear who, fear what? Fear them, fear him, fear that. Come here then, give me your ears, hear what? I be a murderer, they over here, you hear that? Me girl them, over here, hear what? They over here, you hear that? You hear that? I be a no fear boy, fear them.
Alright, well, when the footer did I urge Blak Ryno for answer, because he must say chance down now answer. So now that Blak Ryno answer, I hope that Mr. Footer Hype is pleased. But you guys tell me what you think about the song in the comment section. On to the next topic. I think it was the other day, 2 days ago or so, I posted a video included Spice doing a school tour about her song Hell No, and encouraging the young girls and boys to abstain and stay away from, wrongdoings and making bad decisions that could destroy their future. Now she went on CVM TV and saying that she got an email saying some of the schools canceled because apparently some church, I don't know the church, never heard of it, canceled because they're saying that Spice is not fit. But in the eyes of the Lord, nobody can judge, because those same people that are going to church, they used to be sinners, and some of them still are. So I don't know why they feel like Spice Nuffy be the person to come and tell their children, say, yo, do this, not do that. But to each his own. You guys listen to what she said and check this out.
I was excited for them and excited for the other schools and what was to come, because I have my Grace Hamilton Foundation as well. So I was so happy to go into the school. But unfortunately, when I was on the road doing the Ono school tour, I started to get emails of school cancelling and saying they won't be able to do it. So when I start to read into the emails, they're saying that they got calls from TBC, I think it is. TBC is a church or program that is saying that they don't think I am fitting enough to go into the schools. I even have a recording that Apostle Jeffrey, I think Shuttleland or something, was on the program on TBC radio discussing it. Shuttleworth, yes. Oh, you know I am, my friend. Yes. It was so strange to me. But I think his problem is because I took keynote and listened to him. He kept speaking on Spice and my music videos and stuff. I'm not going to the schools to show my music video or doing whatever you're speaking about that is happening with Spice, the artist, and his music video. I am going as a grown woman, successful woman, Grace Hamilton, to speak and share and to encourage the kids, you know, to say no to the things that is happening. So I was very confused.
All who never seen yet, don't know first fling a stone. Let me see what I go on. But don't tell me what I think about that in the comment section. So on to the next topic. Deva Bratt was on a podcast. I think it's called Dancehall Hot Seat, and he was doing an interview, and Vybz Kartel's name came up, and they asked him about the grape situation. So this was his response.
Vybz Kartel call your name Deva Bratt, and it seems like it's been crazy all over the internet.
Yes, it is.
What go on about that? Tell me how you feel about that. That even it's a special interview, you know. What you feel about that?
Only I feel
about that call name, that specific time.
At that specific time, the way the gentleman answered the questions, I'm saying, let me take a sip, I'm saying you're definitely not in the right frame of mind. What question you have for?
Deva Bratt.
Yeah.
Did you get charged?
No, master. Never. You know, say me a traveler, right? You cannot travel with a charge on your name. You're not past the airport. It's impossible.
You guys can check out the podcast, the rest of the video if you want to see it on their channel at Dancehall Hot Seat. And also leave your thoughts on that in the comment section. Beenie Man went on Drink Champs the other day, and they asked him what is the meaning of Zagazao. And this was his response. Check this out.
I make up a lot of words in my life.
Yeah, I do that too.
Yes, but on Girl Them Sugar with Maya and Pharrell.
Yeah.
What the fuck is a Zagazao?
Zagazao.
Zagazao.
Yeah, it's just
Zagazao.
All right. You can use that. Can you stop? Stop. Zagazao mean big ass.
A big ass.
Zagazao.
Did it mean it before that, or you just made it mean that?
No, it's mean that. Before that.
Before that. That's slang.
I'm Ashanti. I'm Ashanti. Somebody don't shoot me. I'm Ashanti. You can go to Ghana and ask them what Zagazao mean, and they tell you.
Gotcha.
Yeah. I'm the girls them sugar. Right. Yeah. So if I say Zagazao, I mean the bitch shake your ass. What you talking about?
I don't believe that you really mean for you. Beenie Man look like I did Frascas. So them ask in a panic comment as well. I don't know if I manager type here. So who makes him drinks? You guys have what you think about that in the comment section. This far in the video, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our latest updates. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.